What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the gaming review of the Samsung Galaxy A10e. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so we have three games set up right here. We have Helix Jump, we have Tempor 2, and we have PUBG Mobile. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go from the least graphic intensive to the most graphic intensive. Now the most graphic intensive is obviously PUBG Mobile. Then before that, it's Tempor 2, and then the least is Helix Jump. So let's go ahead and start off with Helix Jump. Alright everyone, so let's go ahead and start this off real quick. Now, just really quick, I have to say the speaker sounds really good. It's actually better than the Stylo 5, but it sounds really good, and it seems to be running pretty great. Let's go ahead and run this again. Very loud, clear speaker on this device. And this definitely runs with no problem. I didn't see any glitching or anything, so awesome. Alright, so the next game we have is Tempor 2. Let's go ahead and start this off. Screen looks very nice on this as well. I believe this is a 720p screen if I'm not mistaken. But this looks really good. Everything seems to be working fine. This actually seems to be running better than the LG Stylo 5. I actually played this earlier today on the Stylo 5, and it seems to be running better, so that's actually pretty cool. Awesome, so this obviously runs really good. Now the last and final game we're going to be running in here is PUBG Mobile. Let's go ahead and start that off now. Alright everyone, so the graphics it sets us out is medium for this phone, so that's actually pretty decent. I know a few phones that you get set to low, so that's kind of cool. Now we're going to start an online match and see how this runs. Alright, awesome. We landed. So far it's running okay. I don't have any heat so far, so that's a good sign. Let's go ahead and look for a weapon though. Awesome. We have some stuff right here. Oh, right here. Oh wow, that was a huge glitch right there. This is a little bit harder because it is a smaller phone. Okay, cool. Got the kill. We have one more person right here. Two kills right there. So as you guys saw, there was a pretty big glitch right there, honestly. As you guys saw again, that was a really big glitch. Now that can be due to the internet as well, so I wouldn't be too scared. Got 3 kills right there. But so far, I feel like it's running okay. That glitching maybe because we're on the internet. And we are using a 5 GHz network on my Wi-Fi, so just know that. But other than that, it seems to be running decently, and especially since this is a free phone. Got a couple people right here. Gotta actually go ahead and reload. Cool. So 5 kills. So this game is definitely playable in Battle Royale online. So if you guys want to go ahead and try this out, definitely go ahead and download it. But that was the Galaxy A10e in gaming. But yeah guys, that was the Galaxy A10e. If you guys did think this ran good, put it in the comments down below. If you didn't think it ran that good, put it in the comments down below. I personally am impressed by it. Because this is a very low spec phone, and it showed that I can run PUBG pretty decently. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.